Raj Kundra is definitely in trouble at the moment. India Today has accessed WhatsApp chats of Raj Kundra that reveal that he knew that someday his app, Hotshot, is going to be taken down, and therefore he already started working on the plan B. However, he did not want to shut down the app as it was making a huge profit. Play Store took down Hotshots due to content on the app. The WhatsApp chats have also revealed that people associated with the app tried to file a review with Play Store, but it was declined. They removed the bold content and filed a review again, but it was again rejected. Then Plan B was set in motion, for which preparations had already begun. Chats that have been accessed exclusively by India Today reveal how Raj Kundra made a WhatsApp group Age account. And he himself was the admin of this group. Saurav Bhaktania now joins us live for the latest. Saurav, we've accessed these exclusive WhatsApp chats of Raj Kundra. It somewhere nails him in this entire porn scandal, given the fact that it is illegal to publish porn in India.
Well, absolutely, Kathy. This particular exclusive chats accessed by India Today reveals that how involved Raj Kundra was in this whole porn racket. Now, first of all, for our viewers, Raj Kundra actually made 3 WhatsApp groups for Hotshot. One of this WhatsApp group is the Edge accounts. Herein, all the chats related to this particular Hotshot app, how much it is earning, what should be done, and how live streaming should be done, who all actors has to be paid. All these chats are available and everything is accessed by India Today. Clearly shows that how Raj Kundra was actually worried that somewhere down the line, in some day, Hotshot app will be definitely removed from Google App Stores and iOS. Now, Google App Store clearly sent a message to this particular owner of this Hotshot, Pradeep Bakshi, who's also a relative of Raj Kundra, because the company was registered in his name. Hotshot was registered in the name of Kenyan company based in UK. So Google App Store clearly said that it has lot of sexual content and this is against our policy. So we are taking down the app. So Raj Kundra initially never wanted the Hotshot app to get down because he was getting huge profit from it. But his plan B was always ready. So first, initially what he does is he asks Pradeep to file an appeal. But that appeal also gets cancelled. It gets declined after 72 hours. Google App Store clearly says that the content in this particular apps are very bold sexual content. So we have to take down. You cannot come up. Now, Raj Kundra is also seen in the chat saying that how he was happy with Hotshot, because remember, Kathy, in this chat, we see that how in the top charts list, Hotshot was on number 27, which was earning good profit. So what initially Raj Kundra thought, till the time plan B is not foolproof ready, that Hotshot app should continue. Therefore, here in the chat, one of them is also seen talking that we should remove the bold content. But somewhere down the line, Raj Kundra was aware that even if he removes bold content, it won't help. Then therefore, in the chat, he says that removing bold content won't help. Let's continue with our plan B. And he was very positive about plan B, clearly saying that this is blessing for us. So clearly, India Today have accessed this particular chat. Clearly shows that how Raj Kundra was involved in this whole racket and he was planning something big.
Absolutely. You know, these WhatsApp chats clearly are nailing the role of Raj Kundra right there. It's an exclusive of the India Today group right there. And the Play Store, in fact, blocked the app due to sexual content. We're going to get you updated on the story in just about a bit, but thanks for now, Saurav, for joining us for the very latest on the story. Was Raj Kundra and his involvement in porn scandal being shielded? India Today has pieced together the exact sequence of events that led to Kundra's arrest. And while initially he was not in the charge sheet, that is, Raj Kundra was not mentioned in the charge sheet, his direct involvement in the porn ring was discovered when the Mumbai crime branch underwent a complete overhaul in the aftermath of the Intilia bomb scare and Sachin Vaze scandal. The question then is, who was protecting Raj Kundra? Here's a look.
It was 5 months ago, on the 5th of February, that the property cell of the Mumbai Police Crime Branch busted a pornographic racket where 9 people were arrested. 2 months later, a charge sheet was filed, but it did not name Raj Kundra. But the business tycoon knew that he was in trouble, so he dumped his old mobile phone and got a new one. This was also the time when there was a big churn in the Mumbai police. The Antilia bomb scare had shaken up the entire city and the police machinery. In the aftermath of the Antilia scandal, there was a complete overhaul inside the Mumbai police. Top cop Parambir Singh was transferred, his close aide Sachin Vaze was arrested, and a whole new team took over the crime branch. In June, as new officers took charge, they started to investigate old cases and stumbled upon details of the pawn racket. The officials now suspected direct involvement of Raj Kundra and his app Hotshots. The crime branch also had Kundra's WhatsApp chats with Umesh Kamath. The investigation continued for another month. By now, the investigators were certain of Raj Kundra's role and wanted to question him and search his premises. On the 19th of July, the crime branch secured a search warrant, and within hours, raids were carried out in Vian Industries offices in Mumbai. The Mumbai crime branch team found a lot of video data and adult content from the servers at Kundra's office, as India Today has reported. While the raids were on, crime branch personnel heard Kundra asking for data to be deleted. The officers thought crucial evidence may be erased and that Kundra might get off the hook. The cops swung into action and handed over a notice to the business tycoon and his aide Ryan Thorpe. And Kundra was summoned to the property cell for questioning. The business tycoon refused to go in a police vehicle. On the evening of the 19th of July, Kundra was grilled, and at around 10:45 p.m. that night, he was finally arrested. A 5-month operation ending in the arrest of this individual, now suspected to be the kingpin of a wider racket. All allegations against Raj Kundra remain part of the investigation by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch. With Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
The Raj Kundra pawn scandal has exploded. Maharashtra BJP leader Ram Kadam has now alleged that a model actress was physically harassed by Raj Kundra, but he was left off the hook. Kadam also alleges that the actress was pressurized into silence. He has also accused Kundra of a 3,000 crore rupees video game fraud. Take a look.
Maximum sleaze and now maximum politics. BJP wades into the high-profile Raj Kundra pawn-gate controversy. BJP Neta alleges struggling actor model physically harassed by the tycoon. But Kundra was let off the hook.
आरजी ने कहा उसके साथ शारीरिक उत्पीड़न हुआ है, उसके साथ धोखाधड़ी राज कुंद्रा ने की है। अचानक से रातों रात ऐसा क्या हो गया कि वह एप्लीकेशन आगे बढ़ नहीं पाया। उस अभिनेत्री पर किसने दबाव बनाया? दबाव बनाने वाले वे कौन से ऐसे शक्ति केंद्र थे? इस बात का जवाब हम महाराष्ट्र सरकार से चाहते हैं।
What tumbled out as a multi-crore pornography racket has now snowballed into a full-blown political controversy. But the BJP did not stop here, accusing Kundra of fraud worth 3,000 crore rupees, alleging that Kundra's Vian Industries Limited had started an online game by the name Game of Dot and collected crores of rupees from various distributors across the country.
अपने पत्नी के शक्ल का तक इस पूरे गेम में इस्तेमाल किया। यहाँ पे शिल्पा शेट्टी जी है और पीछे वो जीओडी नाम का जो ऑनलाइन क्रिकेट का जो गैम्बलिंग का जो गेम है, क्या है वे स्वयं जाने। इस गेम का वो इस प्रकार से प्रचार कर रही है।
Kadam hit out at the Agadi government, questioning how was the sinister racket being run under its nose.
किसके दबाव में थी पुलिस? पुलिस राज कुंद्रा के विरोध में क्यों नहीं कार्रवाई कर रही थी? किसने उन्हें रोका था? जिन लोगों ने उन्हें रोका था, वे नाम देश और दुनिया के सामने आना जरूरी है।
Kadam's charges were bolstered by the claim of a distributor who alleged he invested 10 lakh since Shilpa Shetty was a co-owner.
मैंने 7 लाख रुपए दिया था, अभी भी उन्हीं के पास है, जबकि इस गेम का कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड हो ही नहीं रहा है। उनके लोग जो पैसा लेके उधर के उधर बैठ गए, तो आगे आ नहीं रहे थे, हम मिलने आए तो मिल नहीं रहे थे, तो पता चल गया कि यार इसमें कुछ तो गलत चल रहा है।
The Agadi government hit back at the BJP.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को है ना, नाचना आवे आंगन टेढ़ा, ऐसा है। और उनको कैसा है कि अभी सत्ता चाहिए, सत्ता के लिए ये कुछ भी बोलते हैं और उनके मुंह में जो आता है वो भरड़ते रहते हैं।
It seems that BJP wants to sensationalize this issue. They want to add speculation to it, which they have been doing in earlier cases also, like the case of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Raj Kundra is currently in police custody for the next 14 days. But the politics suggests that the controversy is not dying down.
BJP leader Ram Kadam has leveled serious allegations against businessman Raj Kundra. But the Congress and the Shiva Sena have blamed the BJP for sensationalizing the entire matter. The Mumbai police, however, needs to investigate the matter and get the truth. With camera person Samir Shanbag, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.